All right, things sound much better with that rhythm, and definitely cool to see. Good control, nice clear notes on the complicated picking. So I'm gonna get rhythmic again here, and same deal. If it's a downbeat, we pick down. If it's an upbeat, we're gonna pick up. So three things where every bar is different. This stuff was covered, or you did do this with the chords. So now it's just single note stuff, and so we got a lot of movement going on here. So a great thing to do when you have something complicated like this, learn what the notes are before adding in all the rhythm. So I guess we got this kind of pattern going on here. We're going up this A, B, C, D, E, F, and then we go up here to play B, C, D, E, F, G. And then we take the same pattern and we play it an octave higher. And then we play that an octave higher. So it's really this just one pattern played in three different octaves. So once you feel comfortable with where your fingers are supposed to go, then add in the rhythm stuff. And take it, piece by piece. You don't have to do the whole thing right away. You can, if you feel comfortable enough with it. But a great thing to do is just repeat the first bar several times until yep, I got that. Get comfortable with that. And then you can do, just one bar at a time. 2 bars at a time is a really good idea as well. So that kind of thing. So break it down into as many pieces as you need to in order to make the progress. So always a good idea, break things down, smaller pieces when needed. Gotta change this back. Whoops. There we go. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and done. All right, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and done. 180, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, number 2. Make a small adjustment to how this looks. Okay. So for this one, that previous one I was using A minor, A natural minor. This one we're going to use a harmonic minor. So same kind of idea. We're going to be taking a pattern, moving it up octaves. So G sharp, A, B, D, E, F. Play that an octave higher, and then an octave higher again. And then coming down, we're going to still move the same, or move a pattern in different octaves, but a little bit different pattern. So here we got G sharp, F, E, D, C, B. So we're going to go down with that. So again, get familiar with what the notes are first. That's going to help out a bunch. And break it down into as many pieces as you need to. A really good idea for this one is work on the first half by itself. Make sure you include this note as well, because you want to make sure you practice that transition. It also makes it a lot better, or a lot easier to practice when you end on a downbeat. So like you feel, or not feel, you hear that metronome click when you play that last note. Because if you ended here, you'd be ending in between the clicks, and you can do that, but it does make it more difficult than needed. So working up the first half, make sure you include this note. It'll make things easier. And working up the second half, do that much. All right. So the rhythm is different through these 4 bars, and then the rhythm is repeated down here. So up here, another situation of we use a bunch of tied eighth notes to help show where all the downbeats and upbeats are. And then down here, we use quarter notes as much as possible. So basically, the eighth note tied to the eighth note is that quarter note. All right. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Under 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. $180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh boy, 240. This is going to be a challenge. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wrong direction. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That was terrible. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! All right, number 3. This one we're going to use some arpeggios. So we got an A minor chord being arpeggiated, then a B diminished, C major, then a D minor. And then we have E minor. And then another way of doing the D minor. So basically with that, the first way we did the D minor, got the D note, the F, and the A. We just took this F note and moved it over here. So 2 ways of playing the same notes. Sometimes it's easier to play the arpeggio like this. Sometimes it's easier to do it like that. So anyway, we're going up this way. So theory-wise, basically, you got these 3 different notes being used. And with a minor chord, you have the root note, a minor third, also known as a flat third, and the 5th interval, or perfect 5th. So basically 1 flat third and a 5. B diminished, you have the 1 flat third and a flat 5, also known as a diminished 5th. And then C major is just a major third, or just third, and a 5. So 1st, 3rd, and 5th. And then another minor chord, first, flat third, and fifth. So, yeah, let me work our way back down. Doing this other version. So basically, ascending, you have the root notes and a third or flat third on the same string. The fifth then rolls by itself. And then the descending, we're going to have the 5, the flat third or the third together, and then the root notes by itself. And then for the diminished, you'll have the flat 5 and the flat third on the same string. Okay, demonstrating. So yeah, different rhythm for these first 4 bars. So that's different. And then it's repeated, same rhythmic pattern down here. So just like the previous one, using quarter notes as much as we can instead of the tied eighth notes. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 180, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew. All right, there we go. So any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again in your new videos.